Alright guys, we are back. We are fucking back. As you can see, market is super green, and I predict for February to be super bullish on alts. And if you ask me, hey Costa, what do you think is gonna be the next thing pumping on the market? AI agents and utility coins, but actually actual utility. You know, if I had $1 billion, I would be shorting meme coins with all of it. I wouldn't even care, you know. I think meme coins are overhyped. I think people are tired of it. By the way, if you are tired of meme coins as well, leave a comment down below in the description, because in this video we're gonna cover and we're gonna review a new project that I'm super bullish on, and I'm actually super bullish on. The project has 10 million market cap only for now. It's in the AI space and marketing space, so both sectors that I love, both sectors that I feel comfortable speaking about. But before we start this video, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always don't research DR. If you know it, we can start. So project we're gonna talk about is AdRise, right? It's a coin on Ethereum, market cap $10 million, equity 466k. And I am actually bullish on it. It isn't on any exchanges except from the DEX. It's on Ethereum here on the coin market cap and CoinGecko. Place number 3,624 for now, when I'm recording the video. Guys, the thing is, once the Bitcoin dominance drops to 54 or 50 or even 55%, we're gonna see a altcoin season that we have never seen in our lives. And for this reason, I'm super bullish on AdRise and in general on AI and AI agents in the industry, because people will get crazy FOMO again. The same FOMO as we saw here that started on 21st of November, ending 7th of December. And that was only, you know, Bitcoin dominance coming 9%, not even. All right, that's the thing. What is AdRise? You might ask, Costa, what is AdRise? AI to replace marketing agencies. You know how crappy and how shitty marketing agencies are, especially. All right, I'm not gonna put names, but you know, marketing is a thing. Like, you actually need great marketing solutions to get leads. If you have leads, then you can sell, you get sales. You know what I mean? In any business and any startup needs a proper marketing solutions. With AI, you know, things are changing and lives are changing and business is also changing and has been changing. So for this reason, AI is coming into marketing, and that's why I think that might be a solid bet. Join the exclusive waitlist. I've already joined. You can go to adrise.ai and fill in those details, and you're gonna get access to the waitlist. If you go to their Twitter, you can see that they've recently posted about the beta that's coming on 3rd of February. I saw it somewhere here. Let me find it. Yeah, here. AdRise beta launches February 3rd. All right, branding, everything, not a logo, it's trust, identity, and impact. And I feel it, guys. I feel it. Like, just by something, you know, you already have some ideas. Like, all right, look at my profile. You know, you can see the logo. All right, you can see that. You can. This is also branding that I'm recording the video. Everything is you know, here. Like, you might put, but all the influences, all the companies, everything is calculated, and is in these days you really need to think of what you post and what message you are spreading. That's why I think AI is better in knowing that than people. You know, and AI can read those and you know, the data, and give you some solutions better than people. That's why I think that tools like that are gonna simply be needed, you know, dominate the market with the brand. Their app, they specialize in SEO, branding, and Twitter and social media posts, you know, 3 main tools on their website. Generating engaging posts, you know, as you can see here. Imagine you have one platform. You just go and you don't care, just use the app. Your whole marketing, like your own, you know, post SEO is optimized. Your logo creation, etc. Something like this as a, you know, startup owner or whatever. If you can simplify the process, it's better. Mix copywriting with visual design, etc., etc. SEO audit optimization, audit your AD campaigns. Speaking about, Alex Becker does a similar thing on his company called Heroes or Hyros, whatever it is, but he's scaling campaigns. But now AdRise is doing it on multiple platforms, and basically by using AI. You don't need to pay subscription to the guy. Even though I respect his work, I think he's been doing well and giving good insights as well. We gotta support each other here on YouTube. So the guys are being backed by big KOLs. You can see their Twitter here. They're followed by big names. So check this out. I think when AI agents and AI market is coming back, this thing will fly. You could see examples. What was a pin link I did out back in the day? Market cap 100 M. This is like a similar development, or maybe even less than that. And their all-time high was like 300 M plus, like 400 M market cap. So that would be like 10x on AdRise comparing to if they go to the current pinlink market cap. And another good example would be Neural. It was also promoted by Alex Becker, market cap 70M. You see, so I see it as just a matter of time and matter of getting into the right market, but super bullish on the platform. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're bullish for February or if you're bearish, or what are your thoughts about meme coins and alts. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one, and good times are fucking coming on the market. Be ready and lock in.